Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beet and feta salad. Now the beets have a nice deep earthy flavor, and the feta has a sharp, kind of a treble clef kind of a flavor, more like it. So the counterpoint is really nice in this salad. So the beets are bright red, the feta is bright white. So I'm going to toss the beets with some seasoning before I put the feta on top, and that way the feta can stay nice and white and the beets can be bright red. So I have boiled the beets with the skins on for about 45 minutes. And what that does is, first of all, it cooks the beets, and second of all, it makes it easy to peel the beets. So when they've been cooked for the right length of time, you can just rub the skins right off like that. It's that easy. No peelers necessary, no paring knife necessary. Just like that. There's another one. Of course, you want to wait until they cool down enough that you can handle them without burning yourself. And then just take the bottom and the top off. And chop them into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to toss the beets with some oil and vinegar and salt and pepper. You can use balsamic vinegar, which works well in just about anything. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm also going to put some green onions in here. So I toss that just until the beets are coated. And then I'm just going to put some crumbled feta cheese on top, just like that. And this salad is tasty right away. If you let it marinate for 10 minutes or even half an hour, it's even tastier. So there you have a beet and feta salad.